my prospective employer. I am Rowena Reyes, 42 years old. I'm a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. I am the eldest with my 7 siblings. I am married with 1 daughter, 10 years old. My father died 30 years ago and my mother is living with me. I want to go to Hong Kong to support my family need, especially the future of my daughter.
Okay, Ms. Rowena, do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
I have been working as a domestic helper in Taiwan for 3 years from 2013 to 2016 under my employer's name, Mrs. Angel Wang, with 2 children, 8 years old and 12 years old. And in the Philippines, I have worked as a housemaid under my employer's name, Mrs. Juliet B. Chua, with 3 children, 7, 5, and 3.
How long have you been working as a housemaid in the Philippines?
2 years, ma'am, from 2007 to 2009.
What have you done in your previous employer?
I did the cooking, ironing, housekeeping, taking care of children, and do the marketing, ma'am.
What are your daily activities on how you take care of children?
I prepare their meals, sending them to school, playing with them, and read some storybooks for them, ma'am.
Are you willing also to take care of an elderly?
Yes, ma'am, I'm very willing.
What are some of your skills?
I can cook the Filipino foods like the adobo, sinigang, and pakbet. And I can cook also the Chinese food like the steamed fish, stir fry, the shrimp with egg, eggplant with minced pork, tofu with minced pork, sweet and sour pork, sweet and sour chicken, Italian yen, the onion soup, tomato soup, the long soup, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Western food?
Yes, ma'am. I can cook the spaghetti, pasta, ma'am.
Okay. Do you know how to follow the recipe book?
Yes, ma'am. I can follow the recipe book.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
To be a good domestic helper, it is necessary to be a hardworking, honest, patient.
Any message you want to tell to your prospective employer?
To my prospective employer, please do hire me, ma'am, as your domestic helper because I need a job to support my family need and the future of my daughter. I will assure you, ma'am, to take good care of your family. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Rowena.